HTML is the language of the internet. When you get a website, the main body of that website is created in something called hypertext markup language, or HTML. This language is used to segment text information into different parts and present it to you. We'll be getting into how that is formatted a little bit later. In the beginning, all websites were just purely HTML. But as the web became more adopted, they realized it wasn't enough, and then introduced things like CSS in order to change the layout of your website and make it more user-friendly and graphically cool, and JavaScript to make your website more interactive. That's all we got to know for now. Just know that HTML is the language of the web, and that's what we're going to be covering and building a website in this a meetup. So first, before we get into building a website, I want to distinguish a website from a web application. A website contains just text and media, while a web application is an application like Windows or MS Word, or basically anything you could interact with. So if you're using eBay or Amazon, because you can log into it, enter information in it, and do things with it, and it's not just presenting information to you, that would be considered a web application. A website is just text and media, and all that the web used to be composed of prior to 1995. That's an interesting thing to know.